Okay guys, this is gonna be quick. Here's my partscaster. It's got the brine mat, it's got the phase stuff, everything's just gonna be in phase. Here is the bridge pickup. Bridge in middle. Alright, and then let's just go straight to the neck. Those are my 3 key tones I want to hear, so. Alright, so those are these pickups. They are the fridge magnet pickups. So they're really cheap, really crappy. I got some alnico 5s also from China. However, my man Darrel Braun suggested these. They got the black covers. I'm going to use the cream covers. I like the look. So he said these are going to be way better. So let's see how they sound. Alright, as you can see, these are literal fridge magnets just stuck to the back of these non-magnetized pull pieces. As opposed to the new pickup where you don't have a magnet on the back, but you actually have these pull pieces themselves are magnetized. Alright guys, the pickup covers don't quite line up. So just a heads up, if you order these, maybe just order them with the color you want, so that way you don't have to worry about your covers lining up. So I'm going with black. Black's cool too. Couple tips. The middle pickup is the reversed wound pickup. It's typically going to be a different color than the rest. And another tip is the neck pickup is going to be the one with the longest wires, because they all shorten kind of consecutively as you go down the pick guard. I'll show you that in a sec. You see how I got them in there, and they all kind of end up the same length down on the end. So that's an easy way to tell which pickup goes where. Give it the old fender twist. Okay, got the pickups in the guitar. Let's see how they sound, starting with the bridge. Duckbucker, bridge in middle. And neck. Okay, so I think it sounds better, but you really can't tell until you can actually get a chance to turn your amp up to drum set volume. A couple of things about Guitar Fetish, where I ordered this pick guard. Total side note, they sent me the wrong pick guard. It was supposed to be the 3-ply. They had me wire my tone pot backwards, so I fixed that while I was in there. You want this capacitor to be on this side, or else when you turn it clockwise, you're going to be rolling your tone in rather than rolling it off. So you want to be able to roll it up. You want it to be the other way. And one more thing about Guitar Fetish. I ordered this pickguard from them also, and when I had the tone knob all the way up, I completely lost all my signal. So it's like super weird. I had to open it up, put a new tone knob. I don't know, Guitar Fetish, you know, they just have quirks. So be prepared for that. Okay, Thanks for watching.